Alright, welcome back. You already know. On today's YouTube video, we're gonna help the homie up. Get off. On today's YouTube video, we be at a fireworks store.
Oh my god.
It's world's biggest, right? World's biggest. Yeah. Yeah, we're like in this store, you know, just looking at fireworks, trying to get some for the new year. Yeah, so basically, yeah, we just want to come back, you know. We've been posting a little while ever since the birthday party, you know. Birthday man. Yeah. So like, shit, yeah, like.
Selfie break.
Alright, so like, we're gonna end it here, you know. Subscribe, like, post notifications, you already know the deal. Peace out, peace out, peace out. Stay safe.